everyone, so today I'm going to show you this gorgeous kind of like Bordeaux messy bun. It's stunning, really easy, so let's get started. So we're going to start off by just parting up this hair here. Same on the other side, so just past the ear. And then we're going to just create a little circle, going all the way around. And then we're just going to brush this hair, it's on the crown, straight up into a high ponytail. And then I've just used a little bit of like a donut or bun maker and cut that up. I'm just going to roll that up gently, like so. So just placing that gently round, taking a hair grip and just attaching that into place. So we're going to just break this piece of hair in two. Take one side and just slowly twist it towards the face, and this piece of hair is going to lay across like that. And then we'll just pin that side into place like so. And then we're going to grab the other side and just gently twist again and bring this one this way. And again, just pinning that into place. And then we can just make sure that all that kind of netting underneath is covered. And then I'm just going to gently take my comb and just do a few little zigzags coming down to this middle part here. So we're just going to take these side pieces and just twist them up and pin them. And then we're taking the next piece, twisting that and pinning it up. Same on this side, guys, just keep twisting it and pinning it up. And then I'm just going to grab all this hair from the back and we're just going to start twisting, twisting, twisting.
Questions I had fun in every second and the journey was a...
And then we're just going to pin that into place and then just gently pinning this top little tail into the bun. And you can decide if you want a little bit of a tail left out. I think I'm going to leave just a small piece of curl just out, just to kind of soften this style a little bit. So this is our finished look. I think it's so cute. I think technically it is very doable. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.